Soup is good for your digestion. You should get some every day. There's no need to scowl with an irritable bowel. Get some soup and you'll soon be okay. To make it simple, we use equal quantities of swede, potatoes, carrots and leeks. As the soup can be frozen, I make a lot, so you need a large pot. To save time, I buy frozen prepared swede. I also buy frozen prepared julienne carrots.
Julienne?
I prefer fresh leeks, not this lot, just 2 or 3. I prefer baby potatoes or new ones if available. Short on carrots, so and add a little mixed veg.
Cheating.
Start by cleaning and chopping up the leeks.
Right.
Clean and dice the potatoes last. They will start to oxidise and go black otherwise. If there's any new baby potatoes, leave the skin on. Some herbs from the garden here I have rosemary, marjoram and lovage. Now you've got to chop the herbs up really small. Alternatively, you can use a little dried herbs. A pinch of ground nutmeg if you like. Take 2 chicken or vegetable stock cubes. Dissolve them in a cup of boiling water. Add some oil to the pot. And turn on the heat, ready to start. Check to see if the oil is hot enough. Now we are ready to start cooking. Cook the potatoes first. Stir right away to stop sticking. You need a big spoon for that. Get the non-stick. Don't let the potatoes stick to the pot. Cook it just for a few minutes. They smell delicious. Add a little water if you keep stirring if you feel necessary. Then add the rest of the vegetables. Leeks, then swede, then the carrots. And add a little water and keep stirring. Boil the soup for a few minutes. Then add the chicken or the vegetable stock cubes. Give everything a good stir. Add more boiling water if necessary. Simmer the soup for 20 or 30 minutes and check the soup is not sticking every 5 minutes or so.
Don't let it burn.
Now add the herbs. Stir it well in and then simmer a little bit more. Simmer. Add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic if you like. Sometimes I add them, sometimes I don't. Make up your mind. Add a little more boiling water if necessary. Depends on how thick you want it to be. You want to keep it really thick, I think. Stir. Simmer a little bit more till the veg is soft. Now we're ready for the tasting. This is very important. Watch it's not too hot.
Burny.
And add a little salt if necessary. And a little ground black pepper. Stir it all well in. Stir again, stir. Now you need to do the taste test again. Watch carefully
Burn.
If you adjust the seasoning if you need to. Soup's done, take it off the heat and set it aside to allow it to cool. You can put some in a bowl and it will keep in the fridge for a few days. Take some plastic tubs with clip-on lids, fill the tubs ready for freezing. There's enough here for about a month or more. I find that 1 tub of frozen soup for 1 person is enough for 4 days with the following procedure. Defrost the tub slightly, turn it onto a plate and cut a piece off with a serrated knife. Place it in a bowl and defrost. Return the tub to the freezer.
Hey,
Microwave the
Ginny.
soup until it's piping hot
Hey, Ginny.
and serve with buttered toast.
Hey, Ginny, cut me off
For
a
variety,
slice.
I like to add tinned soup to the vegetable basics, and it may be a bit cheating a bit, but it works for me. Chop up some chicken pieces and add it to the veg. Quarter it in a chicken noodle soup. Heat it, piping hot. You've got chicken noodle soup. Ooh, lovely.
Mulligatawny, wow.
If you managed to get this far, let me know in the comments if you have any ideas for different soup basic on the basic vegetable base. Thanks for watching.